Hey my super people, I will be making some stew beef for my Sunday dinner. I have this nice 2 pound of boneless beef. I just season it up with a whole heap of garlic and some jerk seasoning, my Maggi seasoning, black pepper, browning pepper, and some thyme leaves. Have it in the fridge. Now I am going to put it in some oil, just a little bit of oil. I don't cook with a whole heap of oil. So when your pot is hot, I am going to put in my beef. I don't fry my beef. You have some people fry them beef before, but just throw everything in the pot same way and spread them out. Then me go cover it with the same icy night, and now it has bring its own water. I'm gonna add no water to it. After 5 minutes, that's how it looks. This is after about 10 minutes. That's the amount of water still in it, and you just keep on mixing it. After every 10 minutes or so, you mix it. You see the amount of water in it? That's how I do my stew beef. When you're making beef like this though, when you're not frying it, this is the correct way to do it. That is what worked for me. You need to make it simmer down. Don't add no water to it. Make it cook in its own juice until it reach down to this level where you see oil and it's almost like it's frying up like this. No water in a pot. Yeah, and at this point you're going to add a little bit of water to it and make it simmer down again, make it start fry up again until, if you feel like you want to put it in the pressure, this is how you do it, and it will get this nice stew flavor. At this point I'm going to add it to my pressure so it can be cooked a little quicker, because me not like sit down and wait for food for 2-3 hours. I love my pressure pot bad. After you put it in the pressure, you're just going to add a little bit of water, just enough to cover the meat. No bother put too much and boil it. Guys, please remember to like, comment, and share. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now, after it's in the pressure for about 15 minutes, I'm transferring it to a smaller pot because my pressure is way too big for that little bit of meat. And after transferring it, I'm adding some Irish and carrot to the pot. Let it simmer for about another 5 minutes. Then I'm adding some ketchup. Ketchup make every stew taste better for me. Then after about another 5 minutes or so, I add my onion and sweet pepper, thyme, you know them little thing there in the last part of it where you know want to cook out. And look at that, guys, look on nice thick gravy. So gravy for look, you know, gravy not for long water and a sink in your rice. Look on my meat how it tender. Guys, this stew beef was the bomb. Look at that, beautiful.